In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a description to a Notion page. By the end, you'll know the best ways to give your pages clear context, even if you're working with a regular page or a database page. If you're using a database page, open the page and look below the title. Many database layouts include a description field. Simply click in the field and type your description. It will be saved automatically. For a regular Notion page, there isn't a built-in page description field. Instead, place your cursor below the page title and add a short introduction explaining what the page is for. This is the simplest and most common approach. If you want the description to stand out, type callout and insert a callout block at the top of the page. Add your description inside the callout and customize its color or icon to make it more noticeable. You can also use a heading, bold text, or colored text to separate the description from the rest of your content, making it easier for you or your collaborators to understand the page at a glance. If you're working with a shared page and need to provide additional context for collaborators, you can also leave a page comment, although comments are better suited for discussions than permanent descriptions. That's how to add a description to Notion pages. Thanks for watching.